Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to another inspiring episode of Voice of Red Hackle. Today we have with us Squadron Leader Berlin Panver ma'am. Thank you ma'am for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So ma'am, let's start from the very beginning. Like what motivated you to join NCC?
So I come from Dehradun and you have IMA there. So whenever on Saturday, Sundays, cadets come out on Liberty and everything. So I've grown up seeing them. And I think my core memory, if I can recollect, I always wanted to join forces. That was the only thing I really wanted to do. And for that, I took NCC and I was NCC cadet for 3 years in 11 Girls Battalion in Dehradun. And yes, today I'm here.
So ma'am, what pivotal role has NCC played in your life in shaping your future?
Okay, so NCC is something, many people think that NCC is something that one should do if they want to join armed forces. But if you ask me, NCC is something that anyone who wants overall growth as a person should be doing it. Because it gives you confidence, it gives you adaptability, it gives you team spirit, discipline, how you're supposed to dress up, how you're supposed to interact, communication, like everything. It is everything in one box. So NCC has given me everything. What I am today is because of NCC and the experience that I got from armed forces.
Yes, ma'am, that's right. Actually, NCC पूरी personality को आपको develop करती है and the skills that you learn here.
Right.
That's amazing. Right. So, ma'am, what all camps have you attended during your NCC tenure?
Okay, wow. I'm going down the memory lane now. So I've attended, there used to be a lot of camps that used to happen in Dehradun. I have attended those. I have attended Thal Sena camp. Then there used to be pre-Thal Sena camp for selection of that. I have attended national level camps where I was best cadet Uttaranchal. So I'd gone to Ladakh to attend that camp. And I've attended few of the shooting camps. I was also best shooter of my course and I was awarded by Chief Minister. So there are a few of the camps that I've attended.
So ma'am, tell us more about your shooting days during NCC tenure and what you love the most while shooting.
See, I think shooting, everyone thinks that you have to just lift a rifle and shoot. But then if you ask me, shooting gives you that discipline and most important thing is patience. Because when you are doing that, you have to hold the weapon right. You have to hold your breath, aim, target, and then fire. So it teaches you the full process of, that 3 seconds when you shoot from the rifle, but the full patience and confidence that it gives you.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, what motivated you to join Air Force? Was it NCC or was it your dream to join Air Force?
So I was hardcore that NCC cadet who wanted to join armed forces. I never had choice between Army, Navy or Air Force. I just wanted to serve the nation, be it through any force. And I got the opportunity to do that through Indian Air Force. I think the life that I experienced in NCC and what I've heard about through a lot of my seniors, that motivated me to join NCC.
So, ma'am, can you tell us more about your training days as an NCC cadet and as a cadet in academy?
I think more or less it is same. Because दोनों ट्रेनिंग को ऐसे स्केड्यूल किया जाता है, ऐसे प्लान किया जाता है कि आप अपने आसपास के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बच्चे हैं और फेलो ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनके साथ रहना सीख पाएं, टीम स्पिरिट सीख पाएं, लीडरशिप सीख पाएं. तो दोनों का ट्रेनिंग का तरीका इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम. You get to stay out of your comfort zone. You get to wake up in early morning hours. You have to get your uniform ready. You have to iron your uniform, polish your shoes, eat whatever is given to you, do everything and meet all the physical standards. So everything that you do is more or less, I would say it is same. The only difference is that, after NCC, you are prepared to go to an academy and become an officer. But in academy, you're also taught about academic. You're also taught about, how you're supposed to write a letter, how you're supposed to interact, how you're supposed to service-related information. Like if I was undergoing my training from Air Force Academy, so we were taught about Air Force. So that specification of service comes into picture.
So, ma'am, what impact the training had in your personality and in your mindset and discipline?
See, I'll tell you, ट्रेनिंग का सबसे जरूरी पार्ट होता है कि सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. हम कई बार ना लाइफ में अपने आप को सेल्फ रिजेक्ट करते हैं. हम सोचते हैं कि यार नहीं, ये सारे बच्चे इतनी अच्छी परेड कर रहे हैं, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. या ये बच्चे इतनी अच्छी रनिंग कर रहे हैं, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. इतने अच्छा राइफल को पकड़ के शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो एनसीसी गिव्स यू दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट एवरीवन who actually wants to do something, if you put some effort towards it, you can achieve it. Whatever, staying away from home, परेड करना, कमांड देना. कमांड जब आप देते हो, आपको कितना खुल के जोर से चिल्लाना पड़ता है, राइट? That is a different level of confidence. Not everyone can do it. When someone, हम जब फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको परेड करने के लिए मिलता है, सेकंड में आपको थोड़ा कमांड मिलता है, थर्ड ईयर में और अच्छे से कमांड करने को मिलता है. आपको क्या लगता है जब कोई जोर से खड़े होके 100 बच्चों के सामने चिल्ला रहा है, इमेजिन उस बच्चे के अंदर, उस कैडेट के अंदर कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है. सो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जिसको हम ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग नोटिस नहीं करते हैं, बट ये लाइफ लॉन्ग आपके साथ रहती है, एंड इट एड्स ऑन टू योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, में जो हम skills यहाँ सीखते हैं, they actually help us in our life.
No doubt. The survival skill, it gives you everything.
Yes, ma'am. And command देने के लिए the confidence you need.
Yeah. And just imagine, आप जब कैंप्स करने के लिए आते हो, do you get to eat एकदम घर का खाना टाइप का? नहीं, राइट? जो भी आपके कुक बनाते हैं वो आपको खाना पड़ता है, चाहे दाल थोड़ा पानी वाली हो या चावल थोड़ा मोटा हो, आप लोगों को खाना पड़ता है. That teaches you adaptability. It's okay, अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में कुछ चाहिए, उसके लिए अगर आपको थोड़ी सी हार्डशिप भी झेलनी पड़े तो आपको वो करना चाहिए. तभी सक्सेसफुल होंगे. कंफर्ट के साथ सक्सेस नहीं मिलती.
Yes, ma'am. So how was that shift from defense background to that private sector? Was it smooth or was it challenging for you?
See, I think आपको मिलिट्री एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, वो अगर आपको एक बार ट्रेन कर दे तो आप वर्ल्ड की किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अडेप्ट हो सकते हो.
Yes.
बिकॉज मैं हमेशा यही चीज बोलती हूँ कि अडेप्टेबिलिटी, वन थिंग दैट फोर्सेस टीचेस यू इज अडेप्टेबिलिटी. आपको आज के डेट में एक मूवी सेट में जाना है, मूवी सेट में जाके जैसे मैं एक्टर्स की ट्रेनिंग करवा रही हूँ, अडेप्टेबिलिटी. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे वहां जाके बहुत ही स्मूथ था. आई हैव टू गो लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ इट, राइट? आई हैव टू गो एंड लर्न कि कैसे सेट कैसे काम करता है. दे आर डिफरेंट वर्टिकल्स, वो आप सीख सकते हो. तो वट एवर फील्ड यू वॉन्ट टू चूज. एंड लाइकवाइज जब मिलिट्री से कॉर्पोरेट में ट्रांजिशन किया, सो जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आपको मिलिट्री सिखाता है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपका कम्युनिकेशन, आपका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, आपका हार्ड वर्किंग एटीट्यूड, व्हाटएवर, वो सारी चीजें आपको ट्रांजिशन में हेल्प करती हैं. सो इट वाज, आई वुड से इट वाज स्मूथ, एंड देयर वर फ्यू थिंग्स दैट आई हैड टू लर्न अगेन टू अचीव व्हाट आई अचीव्ड.
So, ma'am, can you share any fun moment during the shootings?
आउट ऑफ सिलेबस क्वेश्चन हो गया.
ये actually personally मुझे push करना question.
No, so fun moment. Many a times people don't know what proper uniform, how it looks like, you know.
Yes.
So they would come and they'll suggest me that, you know, when I'm wearing this shirt, can I put this badge here? क्या मैं इस रिबन को ऊपर लगा लूँ? ये यहाँ थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है, मैं थोड़ा ऊपर शिफ्ट कर देता हूँ. या ये हेयर कट अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, मैं थोड़े बाल हल्के से लंबे रख लेता हूँ. So ये सारी चीजें, because they don't know about it, not their fault. So ये सारी चीजें as a armed forces representative there on the sets, it is little funny to me. Because they don't know about it, but that's what my job is, to tell them that where we have to put what.
So, ma'am, as you have worked closely with media houses, so can you tell us a bit about it?
So I've worked with few projects which are showing our armed forces, like Fighter, Sky Force, and Operation Valentine. And I'm working on one more project that will be released on Netflix soon, which is again on Avian Air Force.
Yes.
So mainly when I'm there, I'm supposed to ensure that the life that we actually live in armed forces, some part of it is shown there, so that viewers get to see the real life of armed forces officers and even, you know, their families also. Apart from that, I'm supposed to tell them that what type of uniform is suitable for what occasion. Like, you know that we have so many uniforms in Indian Air Force, but we can't wear everything everywhere. It's like we have flying overalls. We can wear it only when we are flying. And we have blue uniform, which is our working uniform. So there is sanctity attached to all the uniforms, and we can't be allowing anyone to wear any uniform for any occasion. So that is there. Then their mannerism, etiquette training, grooming, how they're supposed to talk, body language. This everything is something that falls under my work, and I'm supposed to teach them that.
Ma'am, what quality helped you to establish yourself in the Bollywood training world and that creative world?
Okay, so I'll say there are two things that helped me. Number one is adaptability. See, when you're transitioning from armed forces to the other side of the world, you have to be adaptable. You can't be saying that, whatever I've learned, that is the end of it. I'm not going to learn anything. So when you're going into someone else's world, you need to learn the rules of the land. And when you are interacting with everyone, learn. Then only you will be able to become part of the crew, and you will be able to train them properly. So adaptability is one thing. And second, I think I never shied away from working hard, and I never treated any work as small. If I've been there for 10 things and someone has asked me that, can you do this for us also? I've never said no. Be it going and fixing someone's uniform also. So it's perfectly fine. When you are there, you have to do justice to your work. And that can only happen if you are adapting with the circumstances and you're working hard. It is a saying that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So work hard and you'll get what you want. So like I'll tell you one example. I was training Manushi Chillar for one of the role where she's playing fighter controller, and I was a fighter controller. So I've taught her body language and military mannerism for the role. And while we were shooting, the director at the set said that, we want a fighter controller to play a role along with Manushi Chillar. And for first moment, I was a little hesitant because, this is something facing camera and everything I have never done. So I thought, what if I don't look nice? What if I'm not able to perform? So many people are looking at me. But then, when director said that, ma'am, you can do it. Just try it once. That is something that, again, this talks about adaptability. When someone is giving you some opportunity and you have self-confidence, you go ahead with it. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या हो जाएगा, सीन खराब हो जाएगा, फिर से कर लेंगे, retakes कर लेंगे, So this is something that I've learned, that whenever any opportunity is coming, do it and perform it with best of your abilities.
So ma'am, lastly, what message you would like to give to our audience who are aspiring to join forces and who are inspired by your journey actually?
See, first message is that when you're planning to join armed forces, be very clear what it expects from you. Many people, when they say, I want to join armed forces, they only talk about, I want to join because I'll get this. Okay? You should also look it from the other angle, where what you can offer to the service. Because unless you are motivated, you really want to join and you know that what type of lifestyle you are going to get. So see what happens most of the time when I interact with cadets or aspirants who wants to join armed forces. They always tell me that they have this expectation, what they want from armed forces, and hence they want to join. My first message is that we should also understand what they can offer to armed forces, because it is two ways. It cannot be one way. Only if you really understand about the profession, what type of sacrifices you'll have to do. Not only you, your family will also have to do sacrifices. If you understand that, then only you should sign up for this job.
So ma'am, we have a small rapid fire round for you. So जो भी first thought आपके mind में आएगा, I'll give the words and वो आप बताना. Any challenges during your service?
Challenges, yes. We were supposed to study a lot. जितनी पढ़ाई हमने कॉलेज और अपने स्कूल्स में नहीं की है, उतनी पढ़ाई मैंने फोर्सेस में की है. सो एनीवन हु थिंक्स दैट वी विल जॉइन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस एंड उसके बाद स्टार्स लग जाएंगे, पढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, आई एम सो सॉरी टू डिसअपॉइंट यू. वहां से आपकी नई पढ़ाई शुरू होती है. बहुत पढ़ाई करनी है, रात को पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी.
Favorite among all the Air Force uniforms that we have?
I love our green overall.
Green.
Very comfortable and with cool patches, it actually looks cool.
Yes, ma'am. Our favorite part about NCC uniform?
The Red Hackle. I love it. I love it.
Yes, ma'am. The voice of Red Hackle.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Best memory from your NCC days?
Okay, so my best memory is attending camps because बचपन में as it is we don't get to go out so much with friends. मतलब मिलता है but night out इतना नहीं मिलता है. So camps में get to stay with your friends and you have to go through all the hardships. So आपका bond बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. That is something I miss a lot.
Right, ma'am. One thing that NCC taught you?
NCC taught me self-discipline, good communication, confidence, soft skills, everything.
Yes, ma'am. Cadets. What's the first impression that you're having when
It's disciplined students,
Yes, ma'am.
hardworking students.
Yes, ma'am. Voice of Red Hackle?
Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, at last, any advice for NCC cadets?
Work hard and don't think that joining armed force is the sole aim to be NCC cadet. You know, even if you don't end up in armed forces, trust me, the type of experience that NCC gives is much and far beyond that. So don't join NCC only with that intention that I have to go to armed forces. This is overall development that you are going through. So take it with that spirit.
Yes, ma'am. What's the one thing that you miss the most about being in the forces?
Wearing uniform.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah.
The last one. What do you miss the most about being an NCC cadet?
Attending camps with my friends and not worrying about anything else. Just camp finish करना है आपको और वापस आना है और अपना certificate लेना है. So that enjoyment I miss. And actually, I'll tell you, generally we all stay in very protected environment, right? So when we step out of our houses and we attend camps like this, where we are away from our family for one week or 10 days, it also gives you a survival instinct.
Yes.
Because NCC mein, yes, we are talking about fun and everything. It is, other than fun, there is a lot of competition also that happens. Camp में किसका selection होगा, किसकी कौन sergeant बनेगा, कौन UWO बनेगा. You know, there are ranks के लिए भी competition है. कौन RDC camp जाएगा, किसको red blazer मिलेगा. That competition also happens.
Yes.
So you are competing, but you are also taught team spirit. So that's such a fun thing to happen together, right?
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me here. I loved it and the type of setup that you guys have done. I know you are first amongst everyone else, who has done something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
I loved it and keep doing well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Jai Hind.